Casa Pulpo, designed by Workshop Design and Construction, is a revitalized 20th-century home in Mérida, Mexico, blending historical elements with contemporary design. This project celebrates Yucatan's architectural heritage while introducing modern functionality. The house features 3 distinct volumes. The first 2 retain their original colonial essence with high ceilings and traditional beams. The third volume adopts a modern style with extruded forms and vaulted details, including a distinctive lilac exterior that contrasts with the natural surroundings. Casa Pulpo employs traditional and modern techniques. Its colonial core preserves original wooden beams and white-painted metal, while newer sections incorporate reinforced concrete, sliding glass doors, and wooden decks for enhanced durability and openness. The layout centers around 3 zones. The first houses a bedroom and living areas. The second features a dining and TV room, accessible via a wooden deck amid lush greenery. The third contains the master bedroom with a private terrace, storage, and additional spaces on an upper level. Natural light flows throughout the home with large windows and sliding doors maximizing illumination. A bajorec roof creates dynamic light and shadow patterns, enhancing the ambience during different times of the day. The house uses local materials like pasta tiles, stone walls, and a chukum finished pool. These blend with wooden elements, creating harmony between traditional and modern aesthetics. The interiors emphasize texture and color, featuring vibrant tiles, curated artworks, and custom furnishings by Artesano MX. The palette complements the colonial structure, offering a warm and inviting atmosphere. Tropical vegetation surrounds the home, with strategically placed gardens that integrate with wooden pathways and the pool. This design connects indoor and outdoor spaces, promoting relaxation and natural beauty. Casa Pulpo is a remarkable fusion of history and innovation, offering a timeless yet contemporary living experience that honors the Yucatan's architectural legacy.